Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Ach, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I am going to be talking about WWE's latest news. But before that, I just want to start the video by telling that today we have lost, and I have got one of the most shocking news of this year in the wrestling universe. That is, we have lost Luke Harper, or we can say Brody Lee. So at the age of 41 he died today, and I think nobody expected this. This news came out in a sudden. He was a former NXT tag team champion, intercontinental champion, two-time SmackDown tag team champion. Who can forget his time when he was in the White family, his rivalry with the Shield, many other big superstar, and also when he debuts in the AEW, he wins the TNT championship. Not only that, he formed alliance named Dark Order. So his career is going really good. He's getting some good storyline, but suddenly this happens. As per the news report, that is that he is having some lung infection. Due to that, he died. So I don't know how to express that feelings. I am really sad with the news, and I hope and I wish that his soul is rest in peace. Okay, so now moving on to the WWE news. The first news that I want to share is that on the last SmackDown we have seen Big E becoming the new Intercontinental Champion. So we many have been thinking that Big E may be winning the Royal Rumble, maybe challenging Roman Reigns for the Universal title at Mania, but WWE decided to give him or to make him a mid-card champion. So the reason behind this is very much simple. Though WWE is really interested for Big E's single career push, but WWE don't want him to get in a position like Kofi Kingston. See, Big E is a good player, but right now WWE wants to continue with him as a mid-card champion. That's why Sami Zayn lost the championship and Big E wins that. And I also believe that Big E will be an Intercontinental champion for a long time right now. So for his single push, maybe WWE is not showing any interest for him to be on the main card champion, because when Big E started his single career push at the mid of this year, where he's been hinting as the Universal champion, but later on he just deviated from that line and he goes into the Intercontinental champion. The reason is behind is very much simple. WWE don't want a superstar like Roman Reigns to get pinned or get lost against Big E, who is very popular as a mid-card champion. So Big E winning the Intercontinental champion for the second time in his career, and maybe that in the near future WWE will think, but right now he's WWE want him to be a mid-card champion. Okay, now moving on to the next news. The next news is that we all know what happened between for the Universal title at a steel cage match between Kevin Owens and Roman Reigns. Again, Jey Uso interfering and helping Roman Reigns to win to retain the champion. But the big thing is that Kevin Owens break the character when he's been asked backstage about Roman Reigns. He's really praised Roman Reigns, and he has told that Roman Reigns is one of those guys, fewest guys, who has been the leader of the locker room, but who Roman Reigns has not been able to show that attitude. He's a very good guy. He's very down to earth. He always helped the young superstar, and Roman Reigns has not even requested for a separate locker room. So that's a big thing, a big revelation, but by Kevin Owens. So Kevin Owens told that he always admires Roman Reigns, even if the storyline is going like this. But as a person or as a superstar, the kind of fame that he has got, Roman Reigns is always down to earth, and that's what that's what is so much admiring that Kevin Owens is showing towards Roman Reigns. So maybe they are having a good rivalry on screen, but off screen we all know that they are good friends. Okay, now the next news is none other than the Braun Strowman. So after Braun Strowman having an injury that is in the WWE storyline, he's been suspended from WWE for hitting Adam Pearce. But he's got back from the injury, and look at his physiques. He's been training hard. He's been improving his physique, and maybe he will be returning soon. We all know that there is a big rumor that Braun Strowman may return at the beginning of January and can challenge Drew McIntyre for the WWE Championship. So maybe that's why Braun Strowman is working so much hard on his physique, and looking at the way he's working, I think we are going to see Braun Strowman in a new way, new look and new style. So hopefully Braun Strowman will return soon. So these are the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.